He was just 19 when he crossed the Atlantic, risking his fortune and his life to fight for American liberty. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Marquis de Lafayette was born into French nobility in 1757, wealthy, titled, and destined for a comfortable life of rank and privilege. Inspired by Enlightenment ideals, Lafayette rejected comfort, spending his own fortune to secretly sail to America and join a risky rebellion. In 1777, Lafayette met George Washington, forming a bond like father and son that shaped the war and the future republic. Lafayette fought bravely at Brandywine, wounded in battle, earning respect not for rank, but for courage under fire. He commanded American troops, avoided British traps in Virginia, and became a vital link between the colonies and France. Lafayette helped secure French military support, leading to Yorktown, where French and American forces sealed British defeat. Returning to France, Lafayette pushed for liberty at home, supporting constitutional reform and later opposing tyranny during turbulent revolutions. Marquis de Lafayette died celebrated on both sides of the Atlantic, remembered as a man who spent his wealth, youth, and courage for freedom.